Ben had some cows and some horses on his ranch. He sold 25% of the cows and 1/5 of the horses. A total of 140 cows and horses were sold. In the end, Ben had the same number of cows and horses left. Find the total number of cows and horses on the ranch at first. Whenever you see a percentage in the story, always change it into fractions. This will help you to solve the questions easily. So 25% is converted into 1/4. We're going to draw a tic-tac-toe table and fill up the information given. Cows and horses are your headers, and we're going to write start change n at the side here. Why change? It's because of this keyword that says sold. When there are changes made to the total number of items, there you know that there will be a change, or in this solving method, we call it a start change n approach. I'm going to write 4c for the total number of cows because the denominator is 4, and since 1c is sold, 3c is left. When we look at the fractions 1/5 here of the horses, it prompts us to start with 5h. 1h was sold, 4h was left. Now, the point is that Ben had the same number of cows and horses left, which means we will need to do some conversion to the units that we have over here. I'm going to draw a new tic-tac-toe table and rewrite the information. Look at this. 3c and 4h is the same number of cows and horses left, so it's important that we find out what's the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. So when we write the units again for this new table, we will start with the ending of 12 units for each of them. And for the cows, I'm going to multiply by 4 for the entire column over here. And so therefore, you get 4 units and 16 units. And as for the horses, I'll multiply by 3 to this entire column. And you get 3u and 15u. The last information, which is 140 cows were sold, is to be input over here. And hence, you'll be able to see this relationship that 7 units equals to 140, 1 unit equals to 20, and they're looking for the total number of cows and horses on the ranch at first, and that's 31 units, which is 31 times 20, which gives you the answer 620.